How many senators are there in the Philippines?
24. 24.
Correct! What is known as the Earth's natural satellite?
Sun.
Bell.
Sun.
Wrong!
Moon.
Bell mo muna.
Moon.
Correct! What do you call an animal that feeds on plants?
Wait. Carnivore.
Itunog mo yung bell.
Carnivore.
Wrong!
Omnivore.
Wrong!
Carnivore.
Wrong!
Herbivore. Herbivore.
Correct! Okay. What do you call a triangle with one right angle?
Yung may right angle ba? 90 degrees?
Yes, what do you call a triangle? What do you call a triangle with one right angle?
Right triangle.
Correct! Amazing! The gallbladder store which substance from the liver?
Stone.
Wrong!
Bile. Bile.
Correct! How many sides are there in a heptagon?
9.
Wrong!
12.
Wrong!
8.
Wrong! Malapit na!
7.
Correct! Which of Earth's layer is directly below to crust?
Mantle.
Correct!
Nakita ko ng mga science teacher ko dyan.
Which state of matter is not a solid?
Liquid.
Ha?
Liquid.
Correct! Napaka-brainy mo pala. How much money did you earn in a week if you earn $6 each day?
Bobo pa naman sa math.
Okay, so $6. How much in a week?
52.
Wrong!
51. 51.
Wrong!
43. 42. 42.
Correct! What kind of animals sleep during the day and are active at night?
Pig? Pig? What type of animal or what animal?
What type?
What type of animal? Repeat mo, kuya.
Okay. What kind of animals sleep during the day and are active at night?
Graveyard siya.
Wrong!
Nocturnal.
Correct! Anong mga names? Anong mga names nila?
JV. Rolling. Giselle.
Alright, thank you so much guys! Nag-enjoy ako!